Tēnā koutou te whānau, Dr. Sciascia again here for Te Ora, our Māori Doctors Association. Just want to make sure that you all are aware of our changes regarding the COVID-19 restrictions. So we will be moving into level 2 in a couple of days' time. So what does level 2 mean for us? Well, it does mean that we can see whānau that we haven't caught up with. It does mean that we might be able to go to restaurants again. It does mean that our tamariki can go back to school, and that will be starting next week. So not this week, but just check in with your school to find out. It might mean that sports start to happen again too. But it's really important that even though we're given this information about what we're allowed to do again, which is exciting when you think about seeing whānau again, we have to be mindful still of the possibility of some of people in the community maybe having COVID-19 but not truly having symptoms. So you might not see they're unwell, but they can be infected. And so it's really important that we maintain what we have been advised to do is wash your hands, wash your hands, wash your hands. It means ensuring that we are keeping our distance from strangers. It does mean that if we are getting back with whānau, that we don't have more than 10 in the house, okay? We're not going back to having big full-blown parties because there is risk in transmitting the virus if we do that. So really important that as we expand our bubble, as we move into environments that have been closed for a long time, we do maintain our thoughts and our whakaaro about keeping ourselves safe, keeping our tamariki safe, and keeping those around us safe as well. So really important that you connect in with your school. There will be restaurants and things open, but they will have their own social distancing practices in place. So we will be able to do things again, but it is a bit different to normal. It's a bit safer to normal, and that's okay because we don't want another surge of the virus in our community. We want to be keeping ourselves safe. So remember, check in with your GP clinics, check in with your practice nurses. It's really important that you know we are here and we have always been here to connect with you. Really important to be thinking about your smears, to be thinking about getting any screening done for your heart. Really important that you're doing those things because we want to be our best selves, whānau, and the way that we can be our best selves is to keep ourselves safe, to keep our whānau safe, to keep strangers safe, and actually to look after this temple that is your tinana. Keep your heart safe, keep your lungs safe. Think about all the ways that you can look after number one. There is only one number one, and that is you. So make sure you do that, whānau. If you have any questions, please go to the COVID-19 page for the Ministry of Health website. You can also call your doctor and ask any questions you might need to if you're feeling uncertain about level 2. And certainly if you think you might have the COVID virus, you can get a swab done too, because that still exists. So whānau, kia kaha. Kia haumaru te noho tonu, but just make sure that you are looking after yourself as you start to get back out into the community and doing the things that we love. Enjoy reconnecting with your whānau. Take care. Ka kite.